What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to a Cars and Coffee. We're going to be meeting up with a couple of other Lexus F vehicles. Then we'll be cruising over to Cars and Coffee. Not too many crazy cars pop out in our town, so we'll see what pops out today. But since I'm going to be driving around, I'm like, you know, let me get some accelerations for you guys. And yeah, so thanks for tuning in, and hope you enjoy the show. That downshift right there is so aggressive. That is from third gear to second gear, anywhere from 50 to 60 miles an hour. But yeah, when we get to the new location, I'll start the camera back up, show you guys the cars that we'll be cruising with, and we'll get to the show. Right. So here are the cars with us: the GSF Supercharged RCF, 2020 RCF facelift, another RCF Savon hood, ISF, my car, another ISF, Ryan's ISF, and an NSX. Yeah, so we're out here, bunch of F cars, about to be at the meet soon. Cool mountain backdrop.
First time I saw one.
Yeah. It's got the dog leg. Damn, the inside of this is clean. This is a project car. How cool is that? So they're restoring this one as a shop project car. This steering wheel feels amazing. Like a new steering wheel feels so damn good. And really loving the blue hybrid paddle shifters and the gear knob. I love it. The interior is now super complete to me. Here's that good downshift. Damn, dude. Every single time it does not fail. That is such an aggressive downshift. And people who hear the car from the outside, when I do that downshift next to them, they say, yo, that car is so loud. I'm like, yes, it is. But then also, if you don't know, I have a valved exhaust, so I can close it. And when I close it, it is literally whisper quiet. Alright, so here's an example of driving around with the exhaust valves closed. You can see nice and quiet. This mid pipe does not even have a resonator on it, so that Powercraft Japan axle back is doing all the work for you. Super handy. When I was doing my cross-country road trip from Arizona to New York, the car was kept quiet the entire way. Even if we're cruising at 80-85 miles an hour, still dead silent. You don't hear anything. So sit back, not be bothered by drone, just listen to music and be on your way. Yeah, so that'll be the end of our video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. I did pick up some more supporting parts for the rear differential. I'm just waiting on a few more that are coming from Dubai, and maybe within the month we'll install the rear diff and do a comparison of how it is stock versus with the rear diff. So once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.